What's up, guys? We're going to be doing the biggest compressor shootout you've ever seen. All the titans, all the big players. Let's put them head to head and see what sounds best. Let us know what your favorite is down in the comments below.
What a difference a day makes. 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 What a difference a day makes.
Alright, thanks for checking out the ultimate compressor video. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want to do mix and mastering and run your stuff through all that amazing equipment, send me a message and a DM with the links below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Tommy Riot, out.